If your designs are still full of hard-coded colors, random spacing values, and inconsistent styles, today we fix that using design tokens in Penpot. How to create them, how to organize them and apply them, and then how to accelerate the work using AI. Inside Penpot, you can group tokens into sets. As you can see here, I have two sets, global with these token types and semantic. Think of this as collections, colors, spacing, typography. Create a set and now you can create tokens. So for example, here I have my accent color, which is using this hex value, and I give it the name of color-based accent. And then you can imagine to do that with the rest of tokens. Here in the semantic set, you can see that I referentiate the tokens. You can do that because I set the globals and then the semantic to apply to the elements. In this case, you can see that you can also do mathematical operations. So how to apply these tokens that we already create? You can create an element, and for example here from the token tab, you can select, let's say, this border radius token and apply to all corners, and also from the properties panel, and see that it is already applied. You can change it from here really easily. You can also create and use composite tokens like the shadow ones or the typography. They are made of other tokens, like for example the typography ones are made of font family, font size, font weight, etc. And if you want to apply an H1 or a body small, you can easily apply them from the token tab. Okay, so now let's speed things up. Instead of manually creating all tokens, you can use the Penpot MCP for that. You feed it with a design with components and screens already designed, but there are no tokens in use. So I am asking the agent to extract and infer all the tokens and organize them back in Penpot in sets with a proper naming convention. So let's go. And here is the result. We get two sets of tokens, global with the raw values, also semantic, which tokens are referencing global set ones, and also we have typography tokens made by other type of tokens. So here they are all configured, and the most important part is that the agent is able to apply the tokens, as you can see here, directly in my design and component, because agent can read perfectly the plugins API that Penpot is exposing, which shows all the information that is key to understand the whole design.